Hello students, once again welcome to our English class. Today we are going to start with our grammar topic, that is affirmative and negative sentence. What is affirmative sentence? A sentence with positive information or a sentence that gives you a positive meaning is called as affirmative sentence. Then what is a negative sentence? A negative sentence gives negative information or it gives a negative meaning. Such a sentence is called as a negative sentence. Let us look into an example of it. This is false is an affirmative sentence. This is not true. This sentence is a negative sentence. With these two examples, I hope it is clear to you that what is negative and what is affirmative sentence. Both negative as well as affirmative sentences, these sentences state facts. Hence, both these are considered as an assertive sentence. So, I hope that you have understood whether it is a positive or a negative sentence. They state some fact. They are the assertive sentence only. One can change many affirmative sentences into negative sentences having the same meaning and vice versa. While interchanging or changing the sentence to negative, it is very necessary that one should use negative words such as no, not, none, never, neither, nor, nothing. Or even one can use the short form of negative, that is n comma t, to the modal auxiliary verb. For an example, don't, can't, must, etc. I hope this is complete explanation which is clear to you what is affirmative and what is negative sentence. Now let me give you some examples of affirmative and negative sentence. See students, first example, that is she needed only some sugar. This is an affirmative sentence. Now how shall we change to negative? She needed nothing except some sugar. Second sentence, hurry up. That means don't waste time. This is a negative sentence. Here we have used modal auxiliary verbs, its negative form. Now third sentence, that is I am unable to find it anywhere. This is an affirmative sentence. This sentence is changed to negative, that is I can't find it anywhere. And the next sentence, the next sentence that you can easily understand. This is the only explanation. There is no other explanation. This is a negative sentence. I hope that you have, with the example, you have understood what is negative and what is a affirmative sentence, where we have seen the meaning of both the sentence has not changed. The negative words are used in the negative sentence, whereas the given above sentences all are positive or affirmative sentences. I hope students that with these few examples more, you have understood how to write negative to affirmative. Now let us continue with some practice example for you. So see what is the first sentence. First sentence is we cannot get rid of them. I hope this is very easy for you to change to, that is affirmative sentence. Second sentence is she did not tell anyone. This can also be changed to affirmative sentence. The third sentence is the flowers did not look normal. So this sentence you can easily change to negative. Now let us come to the next example, next question for your practice purpose. That is, I will always remember him. I hope this will help you. Next is, everyone believed him. And see what is the last sentence. With this, I hope that you can easily solve these practice examples. I hope that you will have more sentences of your own to practice with, hoping for the good explanation of this chapter. If you have any doubts or comments, problems, difficulties, do comment me in the comment section. Do like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for patient listening. Thanks once again.